Cultivating Keepsakes. I'm Eden, and I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm making this 4th of July decor piece using a paper mache number 4. I got it from Joann's on the going out of business sale for 90% off, so I only paid a few cents for it, which I thought was an amazing deal. First thing I did was take these stars that I got from Temu, and I taped them down to the table using painter's tape, and took my Dixie Belle chalk paint in the color Fluff, and gave them each one good coat. Then I took my number 4 and my Chalk Teak Dark Wax, and I gave it a really thick coat all over with the dark wax. I was going for a wood look in the end, which is why I did this. Then I set that to the side to dry. It did have to dry for quite a while, just because of how thick I put the wax on. Then I took my letters to spell out the word July and my apple barrel paint in the color navy, and I gave them each one good coat of the paint. I didn't want to do more than one coat because I kind of wanted to still be able to see the wood grain. I did paint the edges of them though. Then I took the letters and the stars and I used my hot glue to attach the stars to the letters. I put about 4 to 5 stars on each letter. I think 4 on all of them except for the U, which I put 5 on. I didn't really space them out or anything. I just put them where I thought they would look good. And when I got done with that, I got back out my number 4, and that had actually been drying for quite a while. I just skipped ahead for you guys and didn't make you, sit and watch wax dry. And then I took out, again, my Dixie Belle paint in the color Fluff, and I had chip brush, and I would dip my paint brush into the paint. I actually ended up starting just using the paint that was on the cap, and then kind of wipe it on the paper towel and then brush it onto the number 4, which is dry brushing. I'm sure a lot of you already know that, but if not, that's what it's called. And I did that all over the number 4 as well, so it would have this like whitewashed wood look. And I think it was pretty successful. I like the way that it looked, and it was what I was going for. So next I took my letters, and starting with the last one, I hot glued them to my number 4. I did line those up as best as possible. And once I got all of those on, I had made a bow with some 1.5-inch ribbon using my bow maker. If you guys need a tutorial on that, just let me know and I'll do one. But I hot glued that to my number 4, and then I touched up a little bit of paint where the glue had taken it off. And then that was it. My cute number 4 decor project was complete. I really like how it came out. I hope you guys like it too. And if you guys try it, I would love to see it. Of course, it doesn't have to be with the paper mache number 4. It can be with any number 4. You could even use cardboard. That would work. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!